this is Deb from Oak Hill Silver Supply, and today I'm going to teach you how to shut a crimp tube onto beading wire. Okay, we're going to string a crimp tube onto Accuflex, number 49. We're going to use our item number CR8, which is a 2x2. Now, there is a secret magic trick. You want your beading wire on each side of that crimp. So you string it on, string it back through, and you want that wire, it crisscrossed itself. You want to get that wire back over onto its original side. So keeping the wires separated, get your original crimping pliers. We're going to use the bottom section first, and then the top section to make a rounded finished professional edge. I'm going to line those back up again. Keeping the wires separated. Line it up in the pliers. And give it a good squeeze. Now you should have wire on each side of a beautiful crimp. Now for that professional finish, we're going to roll those edges together by placing that tube in the top portion of the pliers and give it a gentle but firm squeeze. And it rolls the crimp into a nice professional finish. Thank you. This is Deb at Oak Hill Silver Supply on Etsy.com.